What's up, guys? It's your boy Atomic Savage here. Welcome to 2018, where I'm gonna be doing daily vlogs. I know I started this vlogging stuff on 2017, but I really wasn't with it. But now, you know what? I'm gonna focus and put my mindset to it. But welcome. Today is the 3rd, right? No, today's the 4th, my anniversary. I make a year with my girl. So, as you guys know, schools are canceled. Oh, it's probably dark here. Hold on. Let me get some lighting in here really quick. Alright. Well, as you know, schools are canceled due to this little blizzard out here. Look at this. Look at this little blizzard. Well, guess what? I'm going out in this blizzard looking like this, like the Joker, baby, because I gotta go do a little food shopping across the street so that way we can survive, because it says it's gonna be brutal. So wish me luck. Let me finish getting ready, and then I'll catch you at the supermarket. Supermarket now. Wow, it's fucking crazy out here. This wind is blowing like crazy. Feels like I'm walking for miles. Oh shit. Shit is crazy out here. That's why I don't feel like bringing on the noise, because it's crazy out here. It's not good for us to be out here in the summer like this. I can't be out here right now. I'm gonna go inside the supermarket. I'll be right back. So I'm at the supermarket, but look how empty these shelves are. Shit is crazy. Alright guys, I secured the bags. Damn, supermarket's so damn expensive. Look how crazy this shit is. You got people trying to shovel snow. It ain't gonna work if you start shoveling now, because there's a whole mountain full coming still. This is just the beginning. It just started. People don't understand that. But look how I'm walking. There it is. First one to touch this snow, baby. Look at this. This is crazy, and I hate the winter. I hate it with a passion. Fucking shit. Excuse my language. Damn. Look, even the people over there from the building are trying to clean. For what? There's no point. I'll catch y'all later. What's up, guys? So I made it back to my building. I'm walking up the stairs. Due to the reason that I don't like taking elevators, because I don't trust it. I got stuck in it already. So I'm not going to continue taking them. So I'm just gonna walk the floors, the stairs, and just keep it moving to my apartment. Yeah, as you saw in that last clip, it's coming down that snow. It's crazy. I know I look crazy, but I'm warm as hell. Because I don't do cold. And I don't know about both. I do not do cold. I'm almost in my apartment, so catch y'all in a minute. What's going on, you guys?
What up? We out here in this Armageddon.
Look at the way this middle of the road looks. Just look at it.
Look, guys. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, hold this. Record.
Walking in the middle of the street. Oh! You just hit me with that freaking brick of a rock, so? No! No!
Don't run, I'll tackle you. Gucci, people.
Hey guys!
What's Gucci? We finally.
This is What do they call it this? They call it this
The blizzard of
something
2018.
Cyclone. They call it a Cyclone too.
Of 2018.
Blizzard 2018. Fun fact, it's our 1 year anniversary today.
Blizzard. Go figure. Here, grab your camera so I'll put my gloves on.
That's good luck.
Not your camera, not my camera.
Oh. I got the Fujifilm Instinct camera for Christmas! And I'm so excited.
Alright, so let's go take some pictures. Look, see, look at all this. It's all crazy. Let's go this way. People are sliding and their cars are sliding and everything out here. Alright.
Alright, guys. So,
It's probably dark, so let's face this way,
Oh.
maybe they get some lighting. Alright, so, oh my god, look at this tree. But anyway, it's gonna be the end of the vlog. Like, subscribe.
favorite.
Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and to smash that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, what's wrong with you? Subscribe.
Some big things coming in 2018.
So put on your post notifications and we'll catch you later.
Peace.